Now let's talk about how you can send a draft email on your iPhone's mail app or, through the iCloud email address. So essentially it is all part of the Apple's mail client, which is this app right here. And you can get inside and essentially browse all of the things which are available in here. Obviously, at first you are inside of the inbox section, which are the received messages. But if you click on the mailboxes in the top left, you can navigate to the drafts section. So it is part of my iCloud, so I have to expand it like that. And you can see my drafts are right here. So I can click in here and there's so many options, or depending on your draft situation. But for me, there are 3 emails which are started writing and it didn't send, didn't finish. So I can click on this one right here. And essentially it's going to open up that draft. So I can just finish it up, make sure I type in the subject, whatever it might be. I just want to ensure that everything is ready. I can attach some images or do whatever I need. And once I'm ready to send it, then of course I click on the blue icon with the arrow pointing up like that. And the image has been sent, which means that it should disappear from the drafts section here. So when I come back, it should be actually gone, right? So it did disappear finally. And that's how you can just send a draft email on your iCloud mail. So it's pretty simple. Let me know below in the comments if you have some additional questions regarding this. If you do, chances are I'll make an updated video just about that. So thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you sticking till the end. And thanks a lot. I'll catch you later.